Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Frostify and welcome to a brand new video. Today it is just going to be a nice and chill little video introducing my brand new series, the Frostify Design Academy. In this video, I really want to go ahead and tackle some questions that you guys have personally asked me about the series, as well as, personal questions that I want to put out there to you guys. I'm very excited to start this journey. This is definitely going to be a long form series. It will not be given up anytime soon. I promised myself that with really wanting to teach, I would open up a course, and now we have finally come to that day. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the Frostify Design Academy and talk about what it's all going to be about. So first and foremost, why start a course? One of the reasons why I really wanted to start a design course, a free design course on YouTube, is because I really wanted to put free resources out there for up and coming graphic designers and people who are starting design. I just remember when I was super young, like around 12 years old, starting on a laptop, and it was definitely a pain to not have like insane resources. So I definitely want to slowly transition into becoming a YouTuber or a content creator that really is able to provide awesome tutorials and courses to really teach graphic design and other things like that. And I won't only be teaching graphic design, I'll also be teaching, the fundamentals of graphic design, the business side of graphic design. Pretty much everything that I wish I knew starting out, I definitely am going to teach. Because boy, designing for at least 3+ years, there's a lot to unpack here. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to start a course. I really want to be able to put out free resources and just overall honestly talk about my personal experiences in the scene, and also what I had to go through in terms of obstacles, what I wish I learned earlier on, and pretty much just, the basics. So with that newly found information, you're probably wondering, what types of videos are we going to be seeing? There's actually going to be quite a bit of videos that I'm going to unpack in the Frostify Design Academy. So I definitely am going to tease a little bit of videos that I'm going to be doing right about now. I want to be able to bring newly found education into the picture. So I want to introduce things like vlogs, program tutorials for sure, and overall just business guides to what has helped me in the space and overall helped me grow. I definitely want to start doing these episodes live as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow my Twitch, the link will be down below in the description. That way we can get live community feedback and I can answer any questions that you guys may have. But in terms of types of videos, I really want to focus on program tutorials. I want to bring in vlogs to kind of like, vlog my graphic design experiences, like, I don't know, traveling to go someplace or something like that. And I really want to talk about business guides because honestly, business is so fun on the graphic design end. And I'm so excited to dive into, what I personally did and what I personally recommend. And like I said before, in many other videos, everybody's graphic design experience is different. So I really want to be able to provide a resource, but also kind of let you form your own path, of course, because that's what it's all about. So you're probably wondering, what is the Frostify Design Academy? The Frostify Design Academy is going to be a 150+ free YouTube tutorial course coming to the Frostify channel. And when I say course, I do not say that lightly. We are going to be having awesome videos on the channel. One of the ones that I am specifically excited about that I cannot wait to dive into is a video that goes by the name of Every Photoshop Tool Explained with Examples. That one is going to be so fun because I love tackling Photoshop and overall learning more about the Photoshop UI and interface. But overall, the Frostify Design Academy is going to have two goals. One is to teach you everything that I know about graphic design and being a creative in the industry. And two is to inspire and help you create easily, which means even if the hub of the Frostify Design Academy is mainly, business tutorials, software tutorials, stuff like that, the main goal is going to really be to let you ride with creative freedom and also learn along the way. I am really excited for this one as well because I'm going to be bringing a brand new kind of theme to the kind of lecture style content. These tutorials and stuff will not be super dragging. I promise there's going to be some awesome stuff to come from it, and I'm super excited to dive more into it. So you're probably wondering, 150 videos, now what? Later down the line, as this series goes on for a couple of years, we are going to eventually hit the 150+ mark, and there is in fact a plan for that. I do not exactly know if I'm going to release an additional 50 tutorials as like a kind of final series bang and sell it on my Selfie page, which will be released soon, or if I kind of want to just keep it going. The reason why I say 150+ is because never say never, am I right? Adding on additional information, this is going to be a whole playlist on my channel, meaning that if you're having trouble kind of scattering through and finding the Frostify Design Academy videos, all you have to do is click playlist and it will be in its own specific playlist on the channel. And you're also probably wondering, how often do you plan on uploading? So with the Frostify Design Academy, I essentially want to take all of my tutorials and brand them under one specific series name, which is the Frostify Design Academy, of course. So to be completely honest, there hasn't been a solidified schedule for the Frostify Design Academy yet, but for now, we're going to aim to have at least 2 videos out a month for the Frostify Designs tutorials or Frostify Design Academy courses or lectures, kind of. And like I said before, I'm going to be initiating a brand new live stream schedule, so those are definitely going to have a lot of good information in it. I plan to overall stream them and then kind of convert them into YouTube videos later down the line, because I really want to be able to interact with my community and also kind of like answer your guys' questions if you have any. The Frostify Design Academy is definitely going to be a series that I am going to be taking 100% serious, as I have always wanted to personally start a course. Now, I am not saying that my course is better than anyone's out there. I do not want to sell this, especially since it's going to be mainly free. So feel free to always go check out other people's, but overall, the Frostify Design Academy is going to be here for a while, and I'm super excited to hammer it out. There's definitely going to be some awesome topics coming, and you guys are definitely not going to want to miss it. So without further ado, I ask you guys a question. Are you guys excited for the Frostify Design Academy? I know I am. I'm super excited to dive into tutorials and overall teach. Next Friday, I am going to be reacting to your Frostify 4K submissions. Honestly, that competition has been so insane so far, and it's been one hell of a way to celebrate 4K. I cannot wait for that video to go live, but after that, we've got some even more series announcements. Believe it or not, we've got a lot in line for the month, and it's been in the works for months, of course, but I am just so ready to get it all out because I am so eager to get like some awesome series ideas like out on the table. But without further ado, guys, this has been Frostify. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and learning more about the Frostify Design Academy. This is going to be a fantastic series, and I cannot wait to upload the first episode. But without further ado, if you have any questions, go ahead and check me out on Twitter, and I will see you next Friday with reviewing your Frostify 4K submissions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.